Good morning, this is Steve with Steve's Locksmith Shop. And we're going to be cutting some D-bolt safety deposit box keys, and this is going to be on the Foley Belsaw Model 200, an oldie but a goodie. My other machine's down right now, and I just calibrated this one, so we'll give her a try. Put my phone up here. Hopefully that you can see that good. Move the light out of the way a little bit. And we'll turn her on. Start on the tip. We're just going to plunge in and out. Helps if I have them in the right side. So, yeah. I just use the blade to line them up. Brush. So you can see, perfect safety deposit box key. This is on the Foley Belsaw Model 200 flat steel cutter. They make 3 different cutters for this. They make a duplicating cutter, a code cutter, and there's 3 different ends that go on here. I just leave this set up for safety deposit boxes because it just does a great job. But anyways, Steve from Steve's Locksmith signing off.